In the food industry, freezing is more than just a process, it's a challenge. Preserving freshness, texture, and safety is essential to delivering high-quality products to consumers. We design spiral freezers to ensure fast and uniform freezing, preserving every key characteristic of the product. Our spiral systems optimize airflow distribution, ensuring consistent and rapid freezing while reducing energy consumption and maintaining the highest hygienic standards. We offer customizable solutions tailored to different types of meat, breaded, marinated, or natural. With our technology, you can achieve homogeneous freezing, preventing ice crystal formation and maintaining texture, maximum energy efficiency, reducing operational costs, compact and modular system, adaptable to any production space, easy cleaning, hygienic design to minimize contamination risks. Choosing us means relying on 40 years of expertise in food thermal processing. Our spiral freezers are designed to ensure quality, efficiency, and safety in every production stage.